everybody, I'm going to teach you how to play Out of Tune by BoyWithUke. This has been requested in the comments on my videos by a few different people, so I figured I would go ahead and do this one, and then up next, in the next one, I'm going to do my best to try to do one of his new songs. I have to listen to it over and over again and try to figure out what chords he plays, but I'll definitely try to do one of his new ones next week. But Out of Tune for now. Let's get to the chords. All right, we're about to learn this song. The best thing to do before you learn the song, make sure your ukulele's in tune, scroll down a little bit, press that subscribe button, hit like, leave down in the comment section another song you want me to teach you guys, and then we get started. Let's go. Okay, so the chords in this song are pretty simple. There's one chord that might be a little bit hard for you guys, but I might have another alternative that sounds slightly different, but it might be easier. So I'll go ahead and show you the chords right now. Okay, so the first chord that we have, I will put them right here on the chart so you guys can see, but also I will show you. The first chord is a C, which is just your ring finger on the 4th string in the 3rd fret. That's what that sounds like, C. Next chord is a G, which looks like this on the chart. Or you can get your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. And it sounds like this. Of course, you want to make sure your ukulele is in tune, G, C, E, A. Otherwise, no matter what chords you do, they're not going to sound right. So we have C, and then we have G. This next one is the one that's going to be hard because it is either a bar chord or it's going to end up using your pinky if you want to play it like that, but that's really hard, so I choose to play it like this. And this is a B. It sounds like this. So what you want to do is a B has these 2 strings and then this string and this string. So you could even play it like that if you'd rather do that. But I like to just bar the whole 2nd fret. Remember, you only need these bottom 2 strings in the 2nd fret. I like to just bar it all, cover them. And then in the 3rd fret, we want the 2nd string with our middle finger. And then the 4th fret, we want the top string with our ring finger. B, B. This one's harder for me, so I just do a bar chord. But this one's gonna be a B. And that's what that sounds like. And then the next chord is an E minor, which is kind of like a staircase. You just get your pointer finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string, 4th fret. And it sounds like this. And the alternative to the B that I was showing is literally just moving the same shape. Each finger goes up 1 more string. See how it's barely different? The last string is just a little bit higher, but it still sounds like a B. This is actually a B minor 7, I believe. But instead of playing this B, if this is too hard for you, just try the staircase B, which is an E minor, moving everything up 1 string. So first finger, instead of being down here, it'll be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, ring finger on the 4th string, 1st string, 4th fret. So in order, we have the C, we have the G, we have the B or the B minor 7, and then the E minor. And what he does in the song, I actually use both of those B's because he does C, G, B, E minor, B, and then back to C. Instead, he usually just goes through all 4 in other songs, which you could do, but in this song, he likes to go from the E back to the B and then to the C again. See what I mean? So let's get to the strumming pattern. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is pretty easy. It's the same all the way through unless you want to add some little finger style stuff that he does in the background, but the main portion of the song is the same strumming pattern. So that's the one that I'm going to show you because that's the one that's easier to play and sing, which I'm assuming that's what you guys are going to want to do. You're going to want to strum and sing, right? Because you're covering this song? Because you're going to cover this song, because you're good. I'll show you the strumming. So the strumming is literally just down, down, mute, or hit, whatever you want to do. If you want more of a bang, you can use your knuckles and hit this. But either way, you just want to stop the strings from ringing out. You don't want down, down, and they keep ringing. You want down, down, stop. Down, down, stop. So that's the whole strumming pattern, is down, down, stop, down, down, stop, down, down, stop, down, 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 stop. So once you get to the E minor, you're not going to stop. You're going to go straight from the E minor back to the B and then to the C. And that's when you stop. So it's going to sound like this. I'll say it out with you guys. We'll do it slow. So it's C, down, down, stop, G, down, down, stop, B, down, down, stop, E minor, down, down, B, down, down, C, down, down, stop. So that's what that sounds like, okay? But he does that one time through, and then the second time through, you stay on the B. You don't go to the E minor and back to the B. You stay on the B, and it's gonna be a little strum thing. I'll show you what that looks like. So, one time through, which is the down and the stop. Ready? So he does that sort of thing. And notice when I went from the E minor to do the B again, I just went E minor, B minor 7, because it was easier for me to go from this to this instead of going all the way back to this. And it still sounded the same. I bet you didn't even notice. Look, I'll show you. I'll show you those, and then I'll show you the little strumming thing you did. Ready? C, G, B, E, B, C. Okay, this time we're gonna do the B minor 7, and it sounds exactly the same. C, G, B, E, B minor 7, C. It's just a little higher, but it still sounds as good. So you could do that. But that's for the first part. Remember, the second part, he does this whole thing, which is literally just down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, and then straight to the C again. I'll put it up here so it's less confusing, but down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So we're gonna run through that just so you're not confused. This is what he does for the whole song, besides like the bridge and stuff, but that he just kind of slows down, which I'm sure you guys know, because if you're doing a tutorial, you know what the song sounds like. But anyway, let's go through those 2 runs, and we'll show you kind of, this is basically the whole song right here. Ready? So start with C, G, B, E minor, B, C, G, and B. C, G, B, E minor, B, C, G, B, 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 B. And then, of course, you guys know the song, so he'll stop, and he'll be like, no matter what, I can't love because of you. You mess me up and put me out of tune. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will do my best to explain that better in like a quick little video or a short or a TikTok or whatever you want me to do. Let's go ahead and try to sing the song now. I think we'll just do the chorus because I don't really know the verses that much. No matter what, I can't love because of you. You mess me up and put me out of tune. I do my best to fake that I'm good, but I forget my place too soon. Oh, won't you say goodbye to the scars you left behind? How about you get the heck out of my mind? goodbye to all my butterflies. I can't look you in your eyes again. I hope that little tutorial helped you guys learn how to play Out of Tune by BoyWithUke. If you have any other song tutorials that you would want me to do after I stop stumbling on talking with my tongue, bleh, why don't you leave them down in the comment section below. And while you're scrolling down to do that, why don't you just quickly click that subscribe button and hit a like. It really helps. Thank you guys.